Okay, now.
We showed up at Jim's house, and he saw my kickstand. And
Ghetto fabrication kickstand.
Yeah, I don't know if I ordered the shorter one or if they shipped me the shorter one, but my intention was to order the longer one when I ordered it, and it's too short. So I put this 2x4 underneath it to give me some more height, and Jim had one that's long enough.
Show me the difference.
Oh, the difference is significant.
That's at least an inch.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, maybe a little bit more than an inch.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, when you drop the bikes 2 inches or so, you only have to do the kickstand like about 1.25 inches or 75, 0.75 or whatever. So it's not that much to actually, because when I shortened Bethany's, hers, I only took like that much out of the kickstand and then welded the foot back on the bottom.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's a heavy duty long one for the rally anyway, so.
And height is not a word at Jason's watch.
Yeah.